If you want full control over your driving experience, customizing your vehicle settings is essential. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to access and adjust key features in your Kia 2027 to match your preferences. Before starting, make sure your vehicle is turned on, stopped, and in park. Now go to your infotainment screen and press Setup, then tap on Vehicle. This will open the main vehicle settings menu where you can control multiple systems. Let's start with driver assistance. Inside this section, you can adjust driving convenience, driving safety, driver attention warning, speed limit alerts, warning methods, and parking safety features. These settings help improve safety and give you better control over alerts and assistance systems. Next is climate settings. Here you can manage air recirculation, automatic ventilation, defog and defrost options, and other climate-related features to keep the cabin comfortable in different conditions. Under lights, you can customize ambient lighting, one-touch turn signals, welcome lights, and headlight delay. Some Kia 2027 models also include lighting patterns and high beam assist. You can even set interior lights to stay on if needed. Now move to door settings. This section allows you to control automatic lock and unlock features, auto unlock on approach if available, two-press unlock, and power liftgate options including speed and height. You may also find smart liftgate and remote window controls depending on your model. Convenient settings give you even more control. You can enable rear occupant alert, set service intervals, manage wireless charging for your phone, and control features like auto rear wiper. Some models may also include trailer-related settings. For warning customization, go back to driver assistance and select the warning method or speaker icon. Here you can adjust the warning volume, enable haptic feedback for steering wheel vibration, and control lane safety sounds. Driving safety priority and parking safety priority will lower other audio so alerts are clearly heard. Finally, under general settings, you can reset everything back to factory defaults if needed. That's it. You now know how to fully customize vehicle settings in your Kia 2027 for a smarter and more personalized driving experience. Subscribe now for more simple car tutorials and hidden features you need to start using today.